Hi Kipsters, I'm going to show you how to get into your Google Meets on your first day of school. So when you get into your classroom, you're going to look at a page that looks exactly like this or somewhat like this. You are going to go look for the classroom that says advisory. So when you see that keyword advisory, that is what you're going to click. It's going to have your homeroom teacher's last name and the word advisory. That is the classroom you click. One more time, what classroom are we looking for? Advisory. Perfect. You're going to click it. And now that you're in the classroom, you're going to click the classwork tab. Clicking the classwork tab, and then you are going to see that you're going to have a topic that says Google Meet link. You're going to click that assignment right there, and then once again, click class video meeting. Once you click that, it's going to automatically take you to your Google Meet Hangout where you will be spending the rest of your day. If you need to watch this video again, please watch the video again. If you don't, awesome. But I would encourage you to practice doing this so that you can be successful on Monday. Bye, guys.